The next thing we're going to look at in a bit more detail is the Quick Access Toolbar. So the Quick Access Toolbar is this little area here at the top of my Excel environment. And what this toolbar allows us to do is have some very common shortcuts that we want to use all of the time. And the idea is to have them at your fingertips, easily available. Because as we move through the ribbon, you'll select different tabs and the different menu items will be hidden at any given point. But using the Quick Access Toolbar, we can have those tools, those options, those functions always visible. So at the moment there's a rather limited number of functions in the Quick Access Toolbar, just a save, undo, redo, and the option to go into touch mouse mode for touch devices. What I'd like to do is show you how we can customize this Quick Access Toolbar by using this little drop down here. I can add in some very common, typically used shortcuts. We have the ability to add a new document, and simply by clicking on that menu item I've added it to the Quick Access Toolbar. I can also add one for opening, emailing a document, printing, print preview. Let's add print preview. That is a very useful one that I like to add to my Excel environment. So using print preview, I can automatically take the Excel sheet into print preview mode to see how that will print. Of course, my sheet is blank at the moment, so it's not very informative. Okay, let's look at some other things we can add. If there's a function that I can't find within this brief list of my top shortcuts, I can look for more commands. By clicking on the More Commands button, it will open this dialog box, which is in fact the Excel Options dialog box. Within here we can select from a multitude of different other commands. You'll see these commands are grouped by popular commands, commands not in the ribbon, all commands and macros. There's also an option for you to pick different commands from the various different tabs of the ribbon. Once you've found a given command that you want to add to the Quick Access Toolbar, you simply need to find it, select it. Let's say I want to be able to add tables. I'll click on Table and then hit the Add button. This new button will be added to my Quick Access Toolbar. I simply press OK, and sure enough we can now see the table button in my toolbar. One other thing to consider when using your Quick Access Toolbar is as you discover different ribbon commands and learn how to use them and which ones you want to use on a regular basis, you can actually add ribbon commands very easily to your Quick Access Toolbar by simply right-clicking on them. So let's say, for example, that I want to, on a regular basis, make my text bold using the bold function. I can look for the bold function within the More Commands options and look for it that way and add it in that way. Or I can simply right-click on the B and then go to Add to Quick Access Toolbar. This is a very nice, neat, easy way to add commonly used ribbon functions to your Quick Access Toolbar.